In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find activity posts on LinkedIn. Whether you're new to this platform or a seasoned PMAS professional, navigating LinkedIn efficiently can help you maintain strong professional connections and stay updated with your network's latest activities. Let's dive right in. First, you'll want to head over to linkedin.com and log in to your account. It's crucial to ensure that you have access to all the features we'll talk about today, so having your login details handy will make this process smooth and straightforward. Once you log in, you'll land on the LinkedIn homepage, which is essentially your feed, displaying the latest updates from connections and companies you follow. Next, locate your profile icon. Usually, this is visible in the top right corner of the page. Your profile icon is like your passport to the LinkedIn world, offering a gateway to everything that is uniquely yours on the platform. Giving a click on your profile icon will bring up a list of options. Among these options, it highlights areas related to your profile settings and activities, essential for keeping your LinkedIn presence active and engaging. Now, from the options displayed, you should click on Post an Activity. This action will redirect you to a specific section dedicated to all your engagements on LinkedIn. Here, you'll find a comprehensive list of your activities, including all the posts you've shared, comments you've added, and other interactions on the platform. This section acts like a digital footprint of your LinkedIn journey, showcasing your professional interests and interactions. Understanding your activity on LinkedIn not only keeps you organized, but also helps you understand better how you're engaging with your network. It's like having a personal diary for your professional life. You can revisit your previous posts, see how people have interacted with them, and use these insights to improve your future posts. This is particularly useful when you're actively job hunting or networking, as it can help you fine-tune your LinkedIn presence to align with your career goals. And there you have it. By following these simple steps, you've accessed your activity posts on LinkedIn. This feature is invaluable for anyone wanting to manage their digital footprint on this professional networking platform. Remember, maintaining an active and engaging LinkedIn profile can open doors to new opportunities, collaborations, and professional development. Thank you for joining me today. I hope you found this video useful. Be sure to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks on making the most out of LinkedIn. See you in the next video.